Yo, y'all see these clouds?
Yeah, bro. I was wondering why it's hot outside, but it's starting to rain.
Bro, it's mad misty out here.
Word, I feel like something bad's about to happen.
Yeah, I don't like that.
Yeah,
Word. Bro, I
Bro.
should stay home.
And do what?
Play 2K, slept, eat.
Bro, that's all you do is play 2K. Like, you got nothing else to do.
Because 2K is life. 2K is balling.
Says the person that can't ball. Like, I don't understand that.
You don't want to see him on the court. Tell him, Dwayne.
I was about to trip. Word, bro. It's raining 2 hours here.
Pick up a little bit.
Bro.
We almost there. We almost there.
Charles, you got the keys ready?
Yeah, I got the keys, man. This is my pocket.
Yeah, because you know you like to lose everything.
Alright.
I don't know, guys. This cloud is bugging.
Yeah, it's not looking real too dark.
Alright, we here. At least we're here, bro.
Come on, open this up, Charles. It's coming down.
Bro, I got you. Oh, man. This door's like jammed.
Word.
Oh, you started closing it, bro. What you doing? It's raining too hard to be doing that.
I got you.
Whew. Ah, damn.
There's a storm or something. Oh, man. So with all the new iPhones, like you decided to do like another.
You know I did. I got a Droid still.
Bro, you had that Droid for like 3 years now, bro.
I don't care.
Get a new phone, like.
You can shut that laptop because I'm hungry.
I'm hungry too.
Y'all always hungry at my house. Why is that?
Boy never got no food. Why is that?
Says the person that never got no money. That's funny. That's funny, right?
Whatever, man.
Yeah, it was. You know I got you. Somebody turn on the lights, man.
Yeah, I got you, bro.
Man, who left on the air conditioner, bro? That's wasting electricity, man.
Yeah, especially with this weather outside.
Yeah,
Watch
exactly.
some TV.
For real.
We gonna order out or what?
Order
I'm not
what?
cooking nothing.
Bro, I'm too tired for
You don't
this,
have
bro.
money. He's poor.
yeah. That was a good one.
Nah, that was a true one.
What? Stop talking. That didn't make any sense at all. Bruh.
There.
How about we actually do something this time besides sit around?
I mean, what would you prefer at this moment?
Maybe. How about karaoke?
I like that idea.
Bro, I'm with it.
Really, karaoke? Are you serious?
You got a better idea?
I thought you were tired.
Come on, Charles. Wiggle it. I got a feeling. That tonight's gonna be a
Why are you guys doing this?
night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. Feeling.
Oh my god.
That tonight's gonna be a
Just have fun.
Alright, bro.
tonight's gonna be
Let me see them vocals, boy.
good night.
That tonight's gonna be a good night. Come on, let me see something, Dwayne. Alright. Alright, that's tough. Oh. Hey.
Tonight's gonna be
Alright.
that tonight's gonna be a good night.
Alright, do that.
A good
Night.
Whoa. That was new.
Really new. It's just a little something I've been cooking up, you know?
That was tough. That's tough. I like that.
Trying to understand it. He's trying to dance this now.
Come on,
Bro, you always gotta kill the vibe, bro. You always hating on
I'm
him.
not hating on nothing.
For real, chill. Whoa. Oh, snap. What's going on?
What happened? Obviously, the lights went off.
Really, you gonna be sarcastic right now?
You already know.
What's that?
Yeah, what is
It
this?
says there's an alert to evacuate the city.
Bro,
Evacuate the city.
Bro,
Are you
what
serious?
talking about?
There's a storm coming. No, not a storm. A hurricane.
A hurricane.
We gotta go. We gotta go.
Where we gonna go?
Come on, I'll get my bag.
My hoodie.
Come on, yo. Y'all taking y'all time. Let's go, bro.
I gotta be safe out here in these streets, man.
Alright, come on, let's go. Let's
Go, go, go. Make sure you lock the door.
So, where are we going to be exact?
Let's go to the nearest evacuation center, which is like 2 miles from here.
2 miles?
Why don't we just walk back?
Oh man.
You know how we want to drop it? We gotta make a run for it. Let's go.
Alright, come on, let's go.
Let's go.
This way.
That way?
Oh, it's really coming down.
For real?
Do you see that lightning?
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
God.
Pick it up, come on. Watch out for that puddle.
We gotta go. We gotta go.
We almost there.
Come on, Charles.
All right.
Come on. Government does nothing for us. The name of this one is Katrina.
Oh man.
This way. This way? Oh, that cloud is still following us.
Guys, I'm almost out of breath, man. Whoa. Jeez. Oh, you okay? You okay?
So much water.
Oh, I think we're here.
Look at this puddle. This rain is really coming down.
We should get there in about 10 more minutes.
Yeah, let's keep going.
All right.
Safety first. Maybe we'll meet our parents there.
We're
Hope my sister's okay.